Allowing employees to communicate with each other through the medium of Welsh can help to maintain staff morale and to create a positive atmosphere within the workplace.
The flexibility of being able to use the staff being able to use their first language, which is Welsh in the majority of our staff here, allows them to communicate with each other formally in meetings, but also informally around the office and corridors, just to share ideas, ask for support from their co-workers. And being able to do that makes people more confident and comfortable in asking for assistance and advice from colleagues. And that for us has developed staff morale, team working, and the ethos of people supporting each other in the workplace.
A large proportion of staff working in Gwynedd are first language Welsh speakers who use language to communicate on a daily basis outside the workplace. It's therefore natural that many of these individuals would feel more comfortable if they were given the opportunity to speak Welsh in the workplace as well.
I think that the staff at Gwynedd are more prepared and are happier to work through the medium of the Welsh language. You know, that is the language that most of us have been brought up in be that in the area here near Bala in Gwynedd or in other parts of Wales. And people are very, very happy in coming in to discuss matters and taking part, really, because they are comfortable in the language they're speaking.
The importance of having a bilingual workforce here is because we have a 90% workforce that live very, very close to the site, and to have them here speaking their mother tongue, their natural language that they speak at home, can only help the communication in the business, and also it makes them feel more comfortable in the way that they can communicate with their fellow work people. It's a very important part of the business, I think. You know, if you have a happy workforce, then you know that can only help the business.
Maintaining staff morale can lead to raised productivity levels and can improve the standard of provisions offered to customers, as Eric Williams, Senior HR Advisor at Gwynedd Council, explains.
In terms of the impact on staff morale, I would say that because our staff members are able to come into work and work through their mother tongue, I'd say that has a positive impact on morale in that they can concentrate on providing the service to the customer in their most natural language.
There is a great deal of academic research, academic information available that suggests that people who are able to be themselves within the workplace perform better, are happier. So us creating the environment within which people can actually be themselves and have those conversations that they'd normally have outside of work and conduct their business through their preferred and chosen language is more likely to improve service than not.
In my opinion, it's definitely beneficial when staff are able to conduct their internal business in their first language. I can convey myself much better when I speak in Welsh, and it's easier to express and get over what one is trying to say, for instance. And so the support has been there to allow internal work to be conducted in Welsh naturally.
Natural Resources Wales demonstrate the same linguistic respect to their workers as to their users then, by taking clear steps to ensure that staff can speak Welsh in the workplace. Managers demonstrate their consideration of staff needs and their eagerness to promote the concept that all staff are members of the same team.
I think it's important that organisations try to provide that same language choice to their staff as they do to the public. Staff who are able to express themselves better in Welsh or prefer to speak Welsh as part of their daily lives and been able to do that in the workplace. It would appear that they also feel a greater support or empathy for their organisations, which can provide a dividend and benefit to that organisation in the loyalty of their staff.